Hey everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make Easter bunny cookies. Okay, let's start off with our ingredients. First, you need some kind of cookie mix. I'm just using Betty Crocker's sugar cookie mix, and then what it calls for the back, which is 1 egg and 1 stick of softened butter. And then I am going to dye my cookies just different Easter colors. I have these 4 pastel colors that I think are perfect for Easter because I did get the white Hershey-ets. If you can find the colored Hershey-ets, you don't need to dye your cookies any certain color, or you still don't really have to. But the white Hershey-ets, I got 2 bags of those because you need 3 per little bunny. Preheat your oven per your cookie mix and go ahead and line 2 cookie sheets with parchment paper and set those to the side. Now I'm going to make the cookies per back of my box. After I made my dough, I just separated it into 4 bowls, added my 4 food colors to it, and just worked it with my hands. You just want to spray your hands in between each one or wet them so the dough doesn't stick to you, and so you can remove the other color and they don't mix. So now I'm just going to take a little bit of each color and roll it into a ball. You should get 20 smaller cookies or 12 large cookies. It's up to you. I was able to get 24 cookies and they look so cute. I just took each color, rolled them in my hands, and put them on my prepared baking sheets. So now we're going to get these in the oven per our package. My cookies are all ready to go. As soon as they come out of the oven, you want to go ahead and put on your little bunnies. You just lay one flat and then you lay the other 2 as the ears just up in there sideways like that and push them down into the cookie. Oh my gosh, these look so cute. I cannot wait to see what Taste Tester thinks. All of my cookies have cooled off, so let's see what Taste Tester thinks. Hey Taste Tester,
Hi.
have a little taste.
Okay. Definitely nice. Good.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
All right, everyone, come back and see us again. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Subscribe.
Bye.